Hello friends. A lot of you should have found out that none of the drivers including USB, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are not working after reinstalling Windows 7. On the newer versions of Windows, these are automatically installed with Windows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually install these drivers. This video is for laptop users only. It is a bit more difficult to install these on desktop. I will make a video for desktop soon. So, subscribe to get notified. First go to the official website of your laptop's brand. My laptop is HP, so I'm going to the official site of HP. I will show you where to find it on other sites also. Go to support section and select softwares and drivers. Select your product. Select which type of driver you want to download. Download the driver. For Dell laptops, go to the official website of Dell. In the support section, select product support. Select your product. Go to Drivers and Downloads tab. Select the driver and then download. If you don't know which driver, check the names. It clearly says which driver it is. For ASUS laptops, go to the official website of ASUS laptops. Go to the bottom of the site and select Driver Download. Select your product. Then, your product will appear on the right side. Select driver and tools. Select your operating system and driver, and download the driver. For Acer laptops, go to the official website of Acer. In the support section, select drivers and manuals. Select your product. Select and download the driver. For MSI laptops, go to the support page of MSI website. Select Downloads. Select your product. Select and download the driver. If you didn't understand why you should download drivers, your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and USB will not work if you don't install the drivers for these. But how will you copy these files to your laptop when your USB port is not working? Just use a DVD. Copy these files to a DVD from another computer and insert it on your laptop. Or just install Windows 10 or other newer versions. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.